basically a coffee enema is just pouring coffee up your ass, and it like cleanses your intestines and stuff. It's good for you, basically. You should really try it, Jeff.
This is getting weird.
Yeah. But it's always weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we said that we would talk more about coffee enema, but I'm starting to regret it. Perhaps we should just like...
Should I get off your back with the coffee enema thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
You should get off my back.
Okay.
Woo! Oh, I feel
Welcome
like
back.
I ran up a flight of stairs. Okay, but you know, I'm ready.
Amazing, because we have a biology quiz.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
That is great. Speaking
better be
of
ready.
like doing strange stuff to your body.
Yes.
I hope we got, I mean, the last game with the programming, you were off the rails on that one in a good way. Wow. But this time, I hope you brought your biology books and that you have been studying animals and the human body and bacteria all day long, because this is when you're gonna get to put all that knowledge to the test.
And also to bring home the ka-ching, ka-ching, ching.
Ka-ching, ka-ching,
You know,
ching.
because we have 1,500 Mimir tokens
Oh, that's
for
great.
you to win. Are you excited?
Nice. I'm very excited. I am just above and beyond excited for this elimination game.
Yes.
It's always, you know, the tension is high. The stakes are high. I hope that you feel it in you.
I feel like you are high.
Yeah. I'm high on Mimir. That is my new lifestyle. Imagine being the only one taking home 1,500 Mimir tokens.
My
That would be insane. So I really hope we got some descendants of Darwin here. Or perhaps, you know, Dawkins, he's kind of awesome as well. So any siblings or grandson to Dawkins or Darwin, you know.
Okay.
Let's just...
Take the first question, Jeff. I know you're ready.
Let's do it. Question number 1. What is the scientific term for the production of light by living organisms? Is it photosynthesis, bioluminescence, luminariescence, or syzygy? Ooh,
Wow.
I mean, these are hard words. Hard words. You know, I stayed up studying all night just to be able to pronounce these correctly. How did I do, Christina?
Did pretty good.
Oh, let's see if I can pull off the correct answer
Yeah.
again. So bioluminescence is the correct
Nice.
answer here.
Yeah. Can you believe there are fish making their own light?
That's really insane.
Dope. I
Right,
would be
right. I mean,
so happy if I could make my own light.
There's a lot of
Cool.
organisms in the ocean that does this, but also, you know, like fireflies. That's also
Right.
bioluminescence.
Yeah.
It's like it's also called chemiluminescence when you mix chemicals and it makes light basically. It's really awesome.
Freaking awesome.
Yeah.
Question number 2. Unlike most other fish, sharks have no what? Liver, gills, or bones?
I think there's a final option there as well
It
that
is?
you will see on your screen.
Oh,
But
so I couldn't.
right.
Okay, heart was the last one, so I
Right.
couldn't remember the last one.
There we go.
So liver, gills, bones, or heart?
Okay, right. Sharks, they are special in a lot of ways. They are very scary. But tell me, Christina.
They don't have any bones. Instead, they have cartilage.
Okay, they
Yeah.
have cartilage, so it's like
Like
our
the-
ears.
Yeah, like the.
So basically,
soft
the sharks
you have
are
in your
made.
ears.
Their bones are made out of ears. You could say that.
Sure, yeah.
Is there some?
Let's go with that.
I feel like
Sharks are made out of ears, Jeff.
I feel like you mentioned one time something about like I don't know. We were speaking about cancer, and you said like, oh, sharks don't get
bone.
cancer.
No, they don't get bone cancer because they don't have any bones.
Ah,
Yeah.
there we go.
I think they can.
So
get
that's
other
like a
types of
smart
cancer,
way
maybe.
to not get bone cancer as a person as well.
Yeah, just replace all your bones with
ears.
cartilage. With ears, yes.
Okay, strap yourselves in because we are heading to question number 3. Okay, so how many functions does the human liver have? 1, 5, 50, or more than 500? Jesus Christ, that talking about a Swiss Army knife here.
Really?
Wow, livers, they can do a lot for you.
Yeah, and even more so if you do the coffee enema I was telling you about. It helps clean out
Wow.
all the toxins and stuff.
I wonder if you get even more than 500, even more than 500
Yeah.
functions which is the
Level
correct
up.
answer here.
500. Wow.
Livers, this is just amazing. I mean, livers, they contain a very, very special property in the human body. They're the only organ that can do this. They can regenerate. Like if you cut a liver, it's been documented that if you cut a liver in half, so you take out like half of it, or like 49% of the liver, it will grow back to its full size.
What?
It's not the original shape. Fishes can do that. If you cut the half of the liver, this would the original shape. But you would get the same mass of liver if you cut it in half.
So like
you can
a
create
lizard's tail, but
yeah, it's like a lizard's tail.
Whoa.
So that's really. I just imagine what you would do with like gene technology. You took like the liver genes and you put them in all your body. So if you cut off your arm, you could get a new one. I would
pretty
really
sick, dude.
Yeah, you could do sick stuff with that. I would love that. Yeah.
Question number 4. What is the only human body part that can't repair itself? The brain, liver, teeth, or eyes? So that cannot repair itself.
You know, I gotta be honest here. I kind of feel like we gave one of the answers away. Yeah. If you were on question number 3, you know that one of these answers is incorrect.
You gotta stay awake?
Yeah, you gotta stay awake. What's the correct answer?
Your teeth cannot repair themselves.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's strange.
That is pretty weird because you can actually produce more bone mass in the human body. I know this because when I got braces, they said my face would start making more bone for my teeth to have more room.
Oh.
Yeah, not a lot, but a little.
So like a complete facial bone reconstruction.
Yeah, pretty dope, huh?
Wow, that's some advanced surgery made by the the body itself.
Yep.
Keep getting amazed by the body and biology. We are on the knowledge train here. It's taking us to higher places, higher than we've ever been. And I want to keep on getting one level higher.
Oh yeah.
Okay, boom. Question number 5. Which fruit is a hybrid of the pomelo and mandarin? Is it lime, lemon, kumquat, or orange? I love myself some citrus fruits.
Oh, I want a fruit salad now, please.
Oh, yeah?
Ooh,
Do you often put citrus in your fruit salads?
I actually just eat limes and lemons, just like the whole thing.
So, you know, for reviews here, I'm pretty sure that's not called a fruit salad. The correct answer here is orange.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's pretty nice.
I think of, I always talk about the shows that I see, and I love Lost, and like one of the first episodes, you know, there's one of the young boys, he's watching John Locke, and from afar, John Locke looks at the boy and he opens his mouth and you see like just orange. So he's put an orange in his mouth. It's very weird and you feel like, who is this strange character? What's going on?
That's very strange.
Yeah.
So weird.
Yeah.
Well, aren't you glad you're playing Mimir with us? Huh? An orange joke.
I'm just
there.
leaving. It's too much.
Okay,
No.
bye.
I'm back.
Whew. Thank God. Okay, we are halfway in. We have dropped to 32 players left in this competition competing for the 1,500 Mimir tokens. So, who will survive the last and final questions? Would you take question number 6? Let's find out.
Okay, let's do it. I
32
can't.
players. Come
I can
on,
barely
guys.
contain my excitement. Okay, let's do it. Are you with me? Okay, let's do it. Question number 6. Which organ do insects not have? Is it stomach, lungs, brain, or heart? Oh, this is a tricky one.
It is.
So insects are strange. They are scary. I don't love insects. I stepped in on a like beehive when I was a kid.
Oh no!
That was traumatizing.
Ouch.
all over the body. I got stung.
Oh, no
So-
bueno.
Now these little.
But I feel like
The correct answer here, by the way, is lungs. They don't have any lungs. I'm sorry. What were you saying, Christina?
But I feel like they need all of these to survive. Need stomachs to like eat stuff, you know, lungs to breathe. No.
Well-
how did not have any lungs?
Well, thank you, Christina, for bringing it up. So let's start. If I just could like pull down like a blackboard or a whiteboard here and start, you know, because insects, their
Yeah.
lungs, it's called trachea. So it's not lungs. Instead, they have it's like small air pockets that they have all over their body.
Oh,
And
okay.
these, they just like it's like they have their lungs on the outside of their body, kind of. So it's just the oxygen goes directly into their skin, almost. It's like
So
small
the
air sacs.
air blows through their bodies.
Yeah, when they move and the air kind of just diffuses into their blood directly.
Oh.
But that's also why insects are limited to how big they can grow, because as an object grows, the area of the object doesn't grow as fast as the volume of the object does, as the mass grows. So, like before, we had a couple of million years ago, we had huge insects because there was a lot of more oxygen in the air. I'm sorry, what were you gonna say? I felt like you were. I was just rambling on, and you had something really.
I'm thinking that's why we don't have large insects.
That's true. There we go.
Oh.
That is true. So let's keep it that way. I don't want them to get any bigger.
Oh no.
And something that is also shrinking is the number of players still in the game. We got, what does it look like? 26 players. So
it's getting exciting.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is, I mean, biology, it's hard. There's lots of stuff to keep track about. Do you want to put them up to the test?
Yeah, so speaking of insects, question number 7. What color is spider blood? Is it black, yellow, blue, or red?
Okay. So, well, human blood, it's, what color is that?
Red, usually.
It's red. It's usually red. It's usually red. But some animals and insects have different colors in their blood.
Yep.
Now, spiders, which color is it?
It's blue. Just
Oh.
like octopus.
Just like octopuses,
yeah.
right? Now, why is that?
It's the hemocyanin, something like that.
Yeah. I think it's called hemocyanin.
Yeah.
They don't have hemoglobin. They have
Right.
hemocyanin in their
Yeah.
blood. So instead of having iron, it's the iron that we have in our blood that makes it red. But instead they have the copper.
Right.
Hemocyanin is it uses copper to transport the oxygen instead. So it's pretty cool that spiders have that in common with octopuses. What a strange world we are living in.
Hey, you know what's so fun?
Tell me.
We have only 25 players still left in
Well,
this game.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Exciting times indeed. Okay, so, like these players, I'm trying to place myself in your minds. You must be sitting there with your hands are trembling, hands are shaking, knees weak, arm spaghetti, mom spaghetti, all of that stuff. You need to put yourself, you only got one shot. Well, of course, there are lots of shots. There are more games, but this one, it's right here and now that you need to activate every single brain
Yeah,
cell
baby.
and answer me this question. Question number 8. What was the first genetically engineered plant? Tobacco, corn, grain, or potato?
Did you maybe have a little plant help today, Jeff? No?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's actually true. That's,
I was thinking
yeah.
that had to be the case.
I
Loving
ate,
the energy.
Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna tell you what I ate, but
Tell us the correct answer then.
I will gladly do
Yeah?
so. It's tobacco. It's a bit unexpected because you don't really talk about like GMO when it comes to tobacco, right?
Oh.
That's funny actually because you
I would have guessed corn.
yeah, I would also have guessed that. People are very worried about the GMOs and the plants, the stuff that we eat, but I mean, if
Yeah.
we're smoking, imagine that the GMOs, what it can do to your body if you're smoking it. I mean, people should get riled up about that.
Really?
Yeah.
Really should. But we only lost one player that question, so
Okay. Knowledgeable players.
yeah,
I-
24 people left.
I
Only
feel
2
very
questions
proud
to
over
go.
this community that we have.
Oh yeah,
This
baby.
country, central hub of knowledge. Okay.
Question number 9. Okay, so which of the following has more bones? Babies, teenagers, adults, or we all have the same amount of bones?
Oh, so, I feel like this is kind of a trick question. We are standing here and we're trying to trick you guys and girls. How do you feel about that? I feel like you should put us on the spot and just answer this question correctly. I know that you can do it.
So, correct answer, babies actually have more bones.
That's strange. That's kind of
Why?
unexpected.
What are you gonna do with all those bones, huh?
I don't know.
I don't know.
The thing is that babies, they are born with more bones, but as they age and turn into teenagers, adults, and awesome people, the bones actually fuse, some of the bones. So a baby is born with, like, I think it's something like 270 bones. And then when they become adults, an adult human has, what is it? 200 and, between 206 and 213 bones.
Wow.
So again here, very strange what biology does. I mean, it's not like physics that stays the same. This stuff, it regenerates and it changes and merges and fuses. It's hard to keep track of all the weird stuff that's happening in my body when I am playing Mimir Quiz. I can't really control myself. I can't contain it within me.
You know what?
Tell me.
We have 22 players.
All right.
We made it all the
lucky
way here.
winners.
Amazing work, you guys.
Wow.
We have arrived at the last and final question of this quiz.
Okay.
So who will be the winners?
Of the 1,500 Mimir tokens. This is what we have been waiting for not all our lives, the last 10 minutes or so that we have been doing this. Okay, let's go.
Okay, take it away, sir.
Question number 10. Which of the following has the longest recorded lifespan? Chimpanzee, oyster, Indian elephant, or termite?
Wow, okay.
Okay. All right.
Who will be the winner of this quiz?
Which has the longest recorded lifespan? This is a tricky one. Who will be the winners? Now, the correct answer is oyster. There we go.
Whoa.
That's unexpected.
Yeah,
But,
that is unexpected.
That's why we have these types of questions, to put the ultimate knowledge to the test. Oh.
Holy smokes. Okay, what a great way to kick off this Saturday, huh? And how many winners did we have at this quiz, Jeff?
It was only 6 winners in the end. So it's more than 100 players in the beginning. I'm not quite sure on that number, but what I do know is 6 winners now. And I'm very happy for you.
Yeah,
Nicole.
that's a great prize you're going home with. Holy
250 Mimir tokens each.
Congratulations.
Wow. Hallelujah. Praise the what's it called? Like the Nordic gods, the Mimir. You know, Mimir, he was an ancient legendary god, basically, of knowledge. So praise him for all the knowledge that you have. So the winners here, do we have the names of the winners?
We do. We have some of the names here. How do you even pronounce your names? Mangelakos?
Just plow through it.
Temerov. Take the next one.
Dawkin balls. That's nice. Like Dawkins. Dawkin balls.
Donkey balls.
Donkey. Okay, here we go. Oh, you played me.
Abina Bajayawa?
Yeah.
Okay, amazing.
Sushi knees and Ranja Parabadanga. I'm sorry, we just
Amazing.
I mean,
We
what
love
are
you
you
so
asking
much.
of us? We're
No.
trying our best here. Okay.
Sweet, huh?
Okay, I feel like I
Congratulations.
need to sit down and rest now. So, and probably you too. This has been a lot of fun. We're gonna see you later for a popular choice quiz a bit later.
It's gonna be so much fun. You have to join us for this one.
Okay.
Oh,
So
okay. See
until
you very
then.
soon. Bye.
See ya.